gonna take her back home. Sides go up to the middle and back. Sides square through 4. Touch quarter, follow your neighbor, and spread. Then the ladies trade to a linear cycle. You're gonna pass through to the wheel and deal. Centers pass through, slide through. You're gonna pass the ocean, swing through, do an AC-doocy. Boy run around the girls, all the girls hinge. Diamond circulate. Flip your diamond, and the ladies trade. Explode your wave. You're gonna partner trade the line before you go up to the middle and back. Now you pass through and you bend your line. Load the boat. Swing through. Boy run around a girl. All the couples circulate one time. Bend your line. Slide through. Square through 3 hands. Do an element left. And a right left grand. Well, every other girl, every other hand. Promenade when you meet. Gonna take her back home. Heads go up and back. Heads pass the ocean. Ping pong circulate. Hey Berkey, ping pong circulate. Extend, swing through. Boy run around a girl, who's your corner? Couples circulate one time. Shake down the line, well you turn yours and I'll turn mine. I knew it, I just wanted to see if you did. Gonna pass through, do the wheel and deal. Double pass through, track 2. Swing through. Then the boys trade. Boy run around the girl, do a Ferris wheel. Centers pass through, do an Alabama left. And a right left grand. Well, every other girl, every other hand, right and left. Promenade when you meet, gonna take her back home. Sides square through 2. Touch a quarter. Follow your neighbor. Hang on, make a lefty. Left, swing through. Then the girls run around the boys. And the couples circulate one time, bend the line to go up to the middle, and they come on back, right and left through, turn right here. You're gonna pass through when you wheel and deal. Zoom, new center square, if you go 3/4 round.